Hi everyone, I'm Jacques.
And I'm Tanya.
I'm Shelley.
And I'm Karen.
My name is Jeff Galbraith.
My name is Serena from sunny South Africa.
Hi, I'm RJ. I'm from McKenzie Bridge, Oregon.
I'm coming to you from Chilliwack, British Columbia, Canada.
And we live on Vancouver Island.
We currently make our home in Manzanillo, Mexico, 100% due to the fact that we jumped on board the online highway.
I found this opportunity in March of 2017 when I was just looking for a new way to earn revenue.
Our exchange rate can't bring us very far. And that is why I was looking for a solution online.
I got involved because, I found myself unemployed and looking to change my future.
We started this business because we knew we weren't spending enough time with each other and with our family, and that wasn't working for us.
I'm a physician and Tanya actually manages the office for us. A year or so ago, we started realizing just how the stress and demand of this job is really kind of eating at us, if I can put it that way.
I think another reason why we started this business was because we were tired of the day-to-day struggle, just trying to make ends meet all the time.
Yeah. Time freedom is something that money can't buy, and this business is giving us both.
I found this business back in September, and it's been life-changing.
I was able to purchase my first ever brand new vehicle, a 2017 Ford Expedition.
I seen that my friend was building an online business, and when they announced that they were moving to Mexico because of what this business provided them, we decided to check it out to see if it was a fit for us. And we did, and we are online business owners, and we have not ever looked back.
And I want to tell you, this is a real business that are changing people's lives left, right, and center. There are people in this business that's been in this for less than a year, and they have quit their 9-to-5 jobs.
I was a job quitter. At age 46, I was able to walk away from the traditional workforce where I worked 60 to 80-hour weeks in industrial demolition.
It's changed our life in so many ways. We can travel, which we do. We have the ability to dedicate the time that we need to our business and not have to compromise family time.
The business always works in the background. This is a fantastic residual income.
And the other thing, it's a global business, so it doesn't matter where you are, what time zone you're in, doesn't matter if you've got any experience. The training is straightforward, the support is there. You'll get a coach and a mentor.
This business model has allowed us to have the confidence to know that our future is secure and that we will never be at the mercy of an employer for time or money ever again.
If you're not happy where you're at, take a look, get involved, and experience the newfound way of living.
Hi everyone, I am Ambreen.
My name is Majid and we live in Toronto in Canada. I came across one ad on my Facebook newsfeed in regards to the online business. I watched the live webinar and I immediately took the action.
This business is supported by amazing system, mentors and coaches. It changed our lives and it will change your life too.
So we just want to say to everybody, check it out.
Check it out. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.